In today's video we're going to be taking a walk down here in Hawthorne Dean, and I'm going to be using the TG-6 to do some macro photography. Now I've got the camera set up with the optional LED ring, and that's hopefully going to give us some better images. So we'll have a wander and we'll see if we can get some good shots. So there are plenty of fallen trees here, so I'm going to have a look at those. It seems to be plenty of fungus on some of them, although it's not really the season for fungus. We're past that. That was autumn. These will be the leftovers from earlier, or rather later last year. We'll see what kind of shots we can get of those. I've found some rather interesting fungus, which I'll show you shortly, and got the TG-6 on a tripod, and again using focus stacking mode to try and get the best shots. So yeah, these very peculiar, what I presume a fungus, growing out of this tree here, quite interesting. So I've framed up a shot. TG-6 is on a little packpod tripod because despite focus stacking working really well, if you can't hold the shot steady, then what you find is it'll fail to stack the images. So I've recently been watching a lot of videos about the TG-6, and one particular video I watched where a chap had purchased one to take on holiday with him, and he was used to some high-end cameras, and he sent it back because he was really disappointed with the images he got. They were too noisy, and you know, it wasn't quite as good as he'd expected. And that kind of got me to think, well, what did you actually expect out of a compact camera with a small lens, a small sensor, and yeah, yes, it shoots raw and it has a fast, the lens is quite fast, it's I think 2.0, 2.8, something like that, which lets a lot of light in, but at the end of the day, it's still a compact camera with a tiny sensor. So yeah, I was kind of puzzled at what you really did expect out of such a camera when you'd been used to full frame mirrorless cameras and things like that. You're never going to get the same quality. So my thoughts after using this camera for a few weeks is it is very good at macro, it's very good at the live composite mode. Shooting everyday photos, not so good. I think it really would benefit from a polarizing filter. I have bought an attachment to go on the front so I can put filters on it, and I will be looking to pick up a polarizer for it, I think. So there we have it, there's the North Sea, probably hear it, and pretty good surf there, a little bit of haze, and yeah, we'll tide again at 5 o'clock, so pretty much of this beach I think is going to disappear, but yeah, see if we can get some photos. So while I was down here, I thought I would try the TG-6 to do a little bit of live composite. I have put an ND filter on the front. I've got a 10 stop pig iron filter, again about 10-12 pounds, not a lot of money. 13 quid got me a aftermarket mount for the filter which fits the front of the TG-6, along with a lens cap, a UV filter which is no use to anybody, and yeah, a lens hood which again makes the camera not very pocketable, but hopefully this will work with the ND filter and we shall get some nice strange looking flat calm seas instead of the quite violent waves we've got at the moment. I'm using this rather handy little cairn that somebody's made out of pebbles as foreground interest, and just shooting up the coast there. I have tried some shots facing the other direction, we'll see if they come out as well. So that was our video with the TG-6, doing a little bit of macro and a little bit of bonus long exposure photography thrown in using an ND filter. If you are interested in more videos using the TG-6, then I suggest that you subscribe to the channel, as I'll be doing more content very shortly. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.